Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change name for the Wi-Fi in ASUS router. And to do this, first we'll need to click on our router inside the app. Then we can find network name SSID. Click on it, and that way you should be able to change into a different name. Now let's click on apply. OK. And after that, we need to go back to the Wi-Fi settings on all of the devices and reconnect to the same network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.